Hi, I'm Deb Hagen-Lukens, and I have been the instructor of the Environmental Innovation Practicum for years. But this is the first time that I get to co-teach the class with Chris Metcalf, and I am very, very excited about that. Chris is actually an alumni of this class and himself an environmental entrepreneur. So I'm just really excited about what he brings in terms of the approach that we're taking to the class and the dynamics that we're going to have during our virtual class periods, which is the really weirdest thing in the world. To think about a class, not as a class, but as a production. We've been breaking it into segments to think about how we want to make the time more digestible, since we're going to have students, dialing in from home. And I even know some who are going to be participating from a long ways away, very different time zones, and having to think about how we make the material work, even if you have to participate after the fact. So it's going to be a really, really interesting quarter. The great thing, believe it or not, there is a good thing about having to do this all virtually is time zones also have not been relevant for speakers that we're going to be bringing into the class. So we're going to have some entrepreneur guests participating from Massachusetts, from Virginia, from very different time zones than we have here in the Pacific Northwest. So I think this class actually ports over to a virtual realm pretty well, because the team experience, half of the students always did that via technology anyway, because it was easier than physically getting the teams together since everybody comes from all over the campus. So we're just going to bring new dimensions to the in-class experience and the speaker experience. And I think it's going to be a great class.